Good evening, driver. Our passengers will want to get into the wharf. On this snowy night, you will be at the controls of a DBBR 425 on a passenger service from Mannheim Hauptbahnhof to Biblis, making a number of stops on the way. Please allow passengers to board here before departing. Sure thing, mate. See how it goes. So yeah, so this is the what's it? Mannheim to Kulsberg, or is it like the Frankfurt high speed? Something like that. Anyway, I never driven this train before, so that could be interesting. Yeah. Frame rate is not happy. Frame rate is not happy. Frame rate is not happy. I also tried to do a German accent at one point, but what does it? What's this? That's the thing. That's cool. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna give driving a diesel, no, it's electric loco a go now because I failed quite badly. Oh look, there's an ICE going through. That's nice. Yeah, I failed quite badly when I tried to drive steam locos. So yeah, thought I'd give electrics a try because it's just throttle up and throttle down, isn't it? And a bit of brakes. It's not all the oh yeah, you've got to watch your boiler pressure. Oh no, your firebox blew up type thing, which got me in the last time, which was annoying. I was annoyed because I was actually doing all right. Well, go watch the video if you want, and if you just want to stick around here, you can enjoy this wonderful panning around the train and through all the buildings. Yeah. Anyway, this is the interior of the train, DBBR 425. Oh look, there's a person. There's another person. He looks like John Cleese. Don't ask me why. He does. Anyway, I can go now, so I will go. I need to set the reverser thing. It's that, isn't it? Yeah. And then set the thing. Move now. Move. Movement. So yeah, I can't remember what the scenario is, but it's a snowy winter's night, which could impact something, possibly. Don't know what. But yeah, it could do something. Oh, I'm speeding. No, I'm not. Speed limit was 50. I'm on minus points already. Really? I've been going for 3 minutes. Been in the game for 3 minutes. Speeding again. And I'm on 44. 38 points. I'm not good at this. Maybe this isn't quite so easy. Maybe it is not quite so easy. Mayhaps. I also have Train Sim World, but it's on my Xbox, so it's a lot harder to record. But on that, it's a lot easier to like do the old control of the speeds. This is really laggy, it seems, and really jumpy as well. Like it goes from 9% to like 100%. It's not easy. It's not. What I'm trying to say, it's not fine controlled in the same way. Oh, I can go to 60 now. That's cool. Accelerate. Although it does seem that this have a lot of grunt on it. If my frame rate does not allow me to grunt. Also, grunt can be used. Well, at least we're moving, so that's good. Okay. Although, this thing is not very happy. But I've got to stop, like, soon. How soon? Very soon. Look, it's half a mile or kilometre, I'm not quite sure what this is set in, but... let's go kilometres? Miles? Which one do you think? Take your pick. Have a guess. Guessing is always fun. Mannheim, Hanschland, Van Bahnsteig. Sounds cool. I've got to stop for it now. On my thing's not moving. No, 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 don't. Not like this, not like this, not like this. 100% brake. Will we stop? Place your bets now. Will we stop in time? I place my bets as no. We most definitely won't. And I was right. Emergency brake setting. Any part of the train going to be in the platform? Yeah. That's nice. At least I didn't fail quite as hard. You failed miserably. Thank you for the vote of confidence. I know I failed miserably. I always fail miserably. That guy looks like John Cleese. He does. What? I don't know why my frame rate is so bad. Usually, what was it at the moment? 20 FPS. Normally it's about, what was 15 now? Normally it's like mid-20s to 30. Anyway, hopefully we'll be able to get away soon, and then there we go. Timeliness bonus. Back in the positives. Where are we going now? Well, Mannheim. Neckarstadt Bahnsteig. I'd guess that Bahnsteig means platform. Any German speakers, you can correct me and laugh at my pronunciation. But I think it means platform. But it's here. Mannheim Bahnsteig. Anyway, ultimately where does it want me to go, and when should I finish this? Arrive at 31, okay. Arrive at 06 there. Sure thing. Do some stuff. Yeah. Doing some stuff is my kind of stuff to do. Why is this very dark? Ease it off a tad. You're gonna need to slow down. About now. Seems sensible. Yes, you are the most sensible chap in the land, aren't you? LZB signalling enabled. Don't know what that means, but I don't think that's good. Also, you are going extremely slow. Probably a good thing, considering last time. Also, which is the buttons? Okay, it's A and D which control the speed. So if I just do a bit of braking now, then we should. Oh, I get done for putting it into emergency. Well, I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to put it into emergency brake. It did it for me. Didn't ask. Looks like if I put it into full brake, then it's just like, nah. You can Ooh, I'm 6 seconds early. That's good. Yeah, it looks like if I just put it into 100% brake, which should be like full power brake, which is what I always do. It's just like, oh yes, minus points, emergency brake. Have fun. I'm just like, what? Why? But anyway, here we are in Mannheim, Neckarstadt. Neckarstadt, yeah. With a frame rate of approximately, probably 15. That's Shift Z to get, okay, 15. Well done me. I can accurately predict what my frame rate is going to be. Hurrah. Is the in-game time going any slower because of this frame rate? I don't know. Also, there's a thing on here. Don't know what that does. I better not press it. Lufter, Sifa. What's Sifa? Sifa reset, and that's helpful. Headlights. Ooh, what's this? Sander. Fucharan Belangchung. Stimmfenster Hetzung. It's all very cool. Anyway, off we go again. Had enough of you. The whole thing. What is it? Mannheim, Neckarstadt. Now on to Mannheim, Lusenberg, which is in 1.98 kilometers. Ah yes, see it's kilometers. Yeah, kilometers. Yeah. And depart 07, so I'm in decent time currently. Going at decent speed as well, it seems. Also, are there any like windscreen wiper things? Because that could be helpful. That is 4. Which I've already had to play around with, which sounds very nice. Windscreen wipers, please. Anyone? Cab light? Ooh, cab light might be useful. Ah yes, that is very much nicer than it was. Consider slowing down? Nah. What's this? Wax sound. PZB. 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 Start circuit breaker pantograph. What's this? The big thing. Dunno. Emergency brake. Consider slowing. Consider doing better than 15 FPS. Considered it. It's been considered. My consideration is nah. Joke's on you. .35 on the brakes. Coming in nicely. Ooh, look, there's an ICE there. That's nice, CE. Get it? That's nice. I'll shut up. Then I'll put some of the brakes on. Because that's always good. It looks like I'm coming in really slow, but actually I'm not. Coming in at, what, 40-ish? If I look down, do we go faster? If I look up. How am I on emergency brake? I did not put that into emergency brake. Shut up. Okay, this is painfully slow. Painfully. Why are you being so frame ratey thing? Also, is the whole of the train in the platform? Ah, the frames. I think I managed it. I was successful. The one thing that I was successful in is, well, having a good computer is not the one that I'm successful in. The one that I'm successful in is finally stopping in a good place. If this was Train Sim World, then I'd get like a little thing at the end which tells me where I stopped, which is nice. But in this I don't. The thing is, I've been in game. It's been 9 minutes, but I've been recording for 15. So yeah. Anyway, quality content shall be administered. I might just stop off the next station because reasons. Could make this into a two-parter. It's meant to be half an hour. Could make it into a two-parter, couldn't I? You know, why not? Make it into a two-parter. Yeah. So yeah, please like and subscribe. And I shall see you in the next one. Yeah, ha. Imagine having to wait for the next one. I'll just leave the station and then be like, goodbye. Yeah, like and subscribe, all that jazz, and I'll see you in the next one.